5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Today, I'm gonna tackle about Rizal discoveries. Jose Rizal was a Filipino linguist, naturalist, and novelist who lived during the second half of 1800s. Rizal was widely celebrated for his many talents, including medicines, which he studied at university, and was well known for his ability to speak in many languages. In terms of science, this was not Rizal's main focus, so it could be said that Rizal's scientific contributions were fairly minimal. But he did have some impact. Being a keen naturalist, Rizal spent months of his life collecting and studying animals and insects. Most of his related scientific work is in the field of biology. His works in this field lead to the discovery of three animals. First is Draco Rizali, a time lizard also called as flying dragon. Second is Apogania rizali, a beetle. Third one is Rhacophorus rizali, a very rare and strange species of frog. This was happened when he exiled in Lapitan. All of these animals were named after Rizal himself. Hence, the term Rizali as a suffix to denote the Rizal's finding. All of these findings came during in his exile in Lapitan. And as such, these animals are mainly rainforest animals.